In this video, I'm going to show you how to make changes to a pivot chart. I worked with someone this week and they had a pivot chart that was quite similar to this one in the fact that they had a lot of fields, and a lot of fields had very low values in them. And that actually what they wanted to do is they wanted to show a percent. But to do that, what we're going to have to do is, first of all, let's group these, and so that we can get the categories to be similar together, and so that they'd be more represented instead of a zero value in the fields here in the chart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to select, click on the delivery rental, delivery sales, and freight, and then I'm going to right click and then I'm going to group. And now I'm going to change the name of group 1 to shipping. Okay, and then the next one that I'm going to group is I'm going to group the fuel, the miscellaneous, the RTO, and all of the services into miscellaneous because they're all very small. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the fuel, and then I'm going to press the control key and I'm going to click on miscellaneous, and then I'm going to, still with the control key there, I'm going to click on RTO, and I'm going to click on the service and the next service and the next service. And then I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to select group. And what I'm going to do for group 2 is I'm going to call it miscellaneous. Okay. Now, what we need to do is we need to click on the boxes here. So we can have these groups displayed together. And then we have rental and re-rental, rental, re-rental, and resale. And why don't I group those 3 together? So I'll just click the first one and drag across it, and then I'm going to go right click and group it, and then I'm going to call group 3, I'm going to call rental. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the plus sign in front of my rental to group it together. Now, what I would like to do is I would like to sort these by the different categories. So now when you're doing the labels, there's a handy little thing here where you can sort them by that, but I don't actually have any in here. There's no drop down for the sum of the amount here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click, and then I'm going to go to my data tab, and I'm going to sort A to Z. And so there we have the highest to the lowest here. And now I would like to change these to percentages. So how we're going to do that is we're going to go to sum of amount here, and we're going to drop down the list arrow, and we're going to select value field settings. And then what we're going to do is go show values as. And right now, if you go show values as and no calculations, if you drop down the list arrow, you can select percent of grand total and say OK. Now we have percent of grand total, and I don't think I need 2 decimal places. I think 1 decimal place would work. And so now I'm going to go to, once again, I'm going to select value field settings, and I'm going to go to number format, and I'm going to show percent, and I would like 1 decimal place, and say OK. and OK again. So now you have a more readable graph with all the fields combined, and it's much easier to read for analyzing your data. So that's how you change your pivot chart. Please subscribe.